Hello and welcome back once again. In my last tutorial I have showed you how we could open Microsoft PowerPoint in our desktop and laptop. In this tutorial I will going to show you the interface of Microsoft PowerPoint, and hopefully you will enjoy that. So to do that I'm going to open the Microsoft PowerPoint application first. As you can see that it's opening, and here is a blank presentation already available here. So we can double click on the blank presentation, or we can write Ctrl plus N from the keyboard. Both can work as well. So for the time being I'm just clicking blank presentation, so you can see that Microsoft PowerPoint Office application is open, and right now I'm going to introduce you with this interface. So here at the top you can see there is a title. So we have not saved this document or PowerPoint slides, that's why it is showing presentation 1 as a default. If we save it as a name or with a name, then the name will be available here. So this is the title section, and using the title section we can figure out the file of PowerPoint. Here you can see some shortcuts. One is the save, Ctrl plus S. We can click or we can type from our keyboard, or we can just click on the icon using our mouse cursor. And here is a drop down, customize quick access tool. So if we click on it, we can add more options here. Right now, undo, redo, start from beginning, it is the presentation. And if we just select some, just like as you can see, there is the manual, the shortcut is actually here. As I mentioned to you, if we want to create a new document, we can type Ctrl plus N from our keyboard, and we can create a new document here. And if we unmark it, then it will disappear. And if you look at the right section, there is a sign in. If you have Microsoft Office account, then you can sign in from here, and there is a ribbon display option. Right now you can see the ribbon section here. If we click on it right now, show tabs and commands as well, and if we click on it, it will auto hide everything, as you can see. And if we click on it, show tabs and commands, and it will be reappear again. And beside this there is a minimize section. Using this one we can minimize this document into here, so that we can reopen it again. If we click on it, it will reopen again. There is a maximize or restore down. Just you can see that it's not minimized, but the length of this document actually reduced. And if we want to get back to our previous section, just like the enter screen one, then we can use the maximize. Right now you can see it's turned into a maximize. So if we click on it, then it will be maximized and it will take the full screen. And the last option is the close. So using this we can close the PowerPoint presentation. Just like I'm clicking the close, the PowerPoint is closed. I'm reopening the PowerPoint again. Then this section, I'm moving to the next section. These are the tabs, and there are each groups under each menu. So this is the menu bar. So here you will find all the menus you can use at the time of preparing your PowerPoint presentation. First one is the file menu. If we click on it, you can see that from here we can check the info of that presentation. We can create a new file from here, again just like we use the Ctrl+N. We can open if we have saved already any PowerPoint presentation before. We can save it with a with all we have already done in our PowerPoint presentation after saving a file first. So we have to use the save as for that purpose. I will show you the work of each menu one by one, and for the introduction purpose I'm just telling you what actually the functions verbally. And you will find the print option as well, so from where you can print your PowerPoint slides and share with your co-workers, and you can export as a PDF, video and other formats. And last one is the close one, so that you can close your files as well. There is an account, as I mentioned to you, after signing you can see your login email here, and there is a feedback section. You can give feedbacks to the Microsoft as well, and there is an option. So from the option you can see the general options are available. It actually used for customization, proofing, save language. Currently we are using the United States English. If you want to add more languages, you can add here as well. And there are some advanced settings and customized ribbons, so that we can choose which menus we can show here or which menus we don't want to show there as well. So right now you can see the draw menu is not here. If we choose the draw and just click OK, you can see the draw menu appears here. So in this way we can customize the menu, and customize our ribbons actually, and we can add more menus here, just marking or unmarking it, or if we want to remove some menu, just like the draw menu we added here. If you want to remove that one, so we can unhide it, and we can remove it from the main menu. And the third tab, it's the group, and under each menu there are different functions that are available here. You can see design, transitions, animations. Every menu has their own functions, and their own menus or sub menus will be appeared here, and from there each section has their own functionality. So we can add add-ins as well, help and Acrobat as well. So these are the conversion tab. We can convert PowerPoint to PDF as well. So we will discuss everything in gradually in our all tutorials. And there is another thing I want to show you. In this tab you can see a cursor. here it is known as the dialog box launcher button. So the if you want to see everything here, what actually under here we have to click on, then you can see broadly. And right now you can see that these are not activating because we didn't write anything. Just like if we write Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial by Rajveer Chaudhary. So you can see all tabs are activated. So these are activated right now, and using these we can do different types of formatting, which I will show you gradually, as I mentioned to you, in all our next tutorials. So here we can do some formatting as well. Just we can change the font sizes, paragraphs, and we can add different types of drawing. And from insert menu we can add pictures and different types of shapes and lots more. And in design we can change the format, or just like you can see that whenever I hover on it, the design actually changes. And in transition we can prepare different types of transition as well. We can decide from which area to which area the texts will go through, just like that. So and here you can see that right now we have one slide, so it will give us idea how many slides we have. Just like if I insert another slide here, you can see the slides number changes to up to. So and this is the display option here, just like view. Right now it's in normal view, and if we want to change the view like this, it will appear in a grid. Then if you want to see the slides in a reading view, then we can see it. It's turning into a reading one. So I'm just clicking on the escape to get back to our previous section, and this is the zoom section. So right now it's 100%, and we can drag it, and the width of the slides are getting bigger. And if we can reduce the zoom like that, or we can use the plus and minus as well. If we click on the plus, it will getting zoom in, and if we click on the minus button, it will turn into a minus one. So in this way the Microsoft PowerPoint actually works. So I'm pretty sure that you get a good idea about the interface of the Microsoft PowerPoint after opening it. So in my next tutorial I will show you, or I will teach you how the menus are actually working in Microsoft PowerPoint. So thank you for watching this.